Hi, it's Dr. Neal Barnard. Back in 2006, we published the first findings from a breakthrough study that was funded by NIH, where we did a head-to-head test of a conventional diabetes diet that reduced calories and asked the participants to count carbohydrate grams versus an experimental approach that used a totally vegan low-fat diet. And you know what happened? The vegan diet caused more weight loss, better blood sugar control, and it helped people to a surprising degree. Some of them could reduce their medicines, maybe get off their medicines completely. And since that time, so many people have been using this approach to tackle their own diabetes. Well, my book, Dr. Neal Barnard's Program for Reversing Diabetes, is just about to come out in a new edition, the first edition in 11 years, and I want to share it with you. And I'm hoping that you'll share it in turn with other people that you know who have this condition. Share it with your doctor. I am surprised by how many people haven't yet heard about this approach, how easy it can be, and how effective it can be. We also have a whole new collection of recipes in a new book where Dreena Burton did all the work in the kitchen to make beautiful tastes that can tackle this health problem in the most delicious possible way. Please have a look, share it with everybody you know.